Hello everyone. Today we're going to be talking about SEM Rust Preventer Cavity Wax and why it's an essential part of providing internal corrosion protection in the collision repair process. When exterior panels are replaced during collision repair, the internal seams of those panels must be protected from corrosion. For panels that don't utilize adhesives, this protection comes from the use of weld-through primers, when the OEM recommends them, and cavity wax. Because cavity wax is applied after the panels are installed, application and product performance are critical. First, Rust Preventer Cavity Wax is applied using the rigid 360-degree applicator, which provides a complete 360-degree pattern. Second is the ability to either wick or creep into the perimeter seam. Both of these attributes provide complete perimeter protection for the panel. When it comes to performance, Rust Preventer Cavity Wax has been tested over 2,000 hours in ASTM B117 salt spray testing and is fast drying but non-hardening for lasting protection. The darker color also helps for quicker visual verification during post-inspections. Rust Preventer Cavity Wax is very easy to apply. After all the work and paint is complete, all you need to do is find some access points for application. These can usually be found at the ends of the panel or from an internal point as well. Apply some masking tape about 3 inches from the end of the rigid 360-degree applicator. This will keep you from pulling out the applicator completely during the panel while spraying. Apply several coats while moving the applicator back and forth inside the panel to ensure complete coverage. Once complete, visually inspect any drain or weep holes for excess product and wipe clean. Cleanup is a breeze with another great product from SEM, XXX Universal Gun Cleaner. Just attach the rigid 360-degree applicator to the top of the can, put a rag over the end, and spray for just a second or two. Wipe the outside clean afterwards, and you're done. That's it. Rust Preventer Cavity Wax is quick to apply, easy to control, and provides outstanding internal corrosion protection when used with the rigid 360-degree applicator. SEM Rust Preventer Cavity Wax delivers the protection your repairs deserve. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more SEM training content.